let's switch over to setting up Samba. Move this over here. This over here. You can see most of the instructions. Now the Samba install, we need to create a folder for it to share. Samba share in our home directory, which we will share later. Okay, I will be sharing a directory which is used for Catkin. Now I need to go to sudo no slash etc slash samba slash smb.conf. So inside Nano, you have the commands, or the most used commands are on the bottom. So Control G gives you get help. That's what the little caret thing before the G means. All right. Control X is good enough. So we're going to scroll all the way down. We can use Control V for next page. We're going right to the end. Go to the instructions. We're adding square bracket Samba share. Not spelled right. Make sure you spell everything right. Actually, what was the path? I think. Okay, we're going to hit Control X. Yes, Y. That is the name of the configuration file. And when I checked with /home/Ubuntu, we are going to have to edit that file again. It was home/Ubuntu/catkinws. Then we're going to hit Control X. Yes. Enter. So now Samba should be set up properly. Just going to take a peek at how to do it. Use the system account password. We need to set up a Samba password for the user account. Username must belong to a system account, otherwise it won't save. Okay, so we're going to type in sudo smb -a Ubuntu. And the new SMB password is going to be Ubuntu, just because I don't need any security on this. No one can see it but me.